Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Python Pre 2 Pro. Now, today in this video tutorial, I will show you how we can log out after logging into an account. For this, we will going to create a logout button. In dashboard.html, I am going to create a button. I will provide a link which will call our function for logout. On this button click, we need to call a function. The function contains a logout function and request as a parameter. I need to redirect my logout function again back to my login page. Inside this, I will call a logout function by passing a request parameter to it. Which log out the current user. I will import logout from django.contrib.auth on the headers. Now I need to create a route or a URL for this logout function. So I need to give this URL name in my href link of logout button. Okay, now let's check. Firstly, I need to run my server. Check. See. I'm in my projects directory. I can run my server by this command python manage.py run server. Now I can see that my server is on. So I will run the project on the URL localhost with the port number 8000 provided. Further, I will going to my login page. I will redirect it with my admin. Now I can see that I have logged in to my admin's account successfully. I can also check it by going to my admin. See, welcome to admin. It means that I am logged in with admin account. And if I log out Here, by clicking on the logout button, I again redirect back to my login page. And when I refresh this admin, then I can see that I am logged out from my admin also. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share as I am making a very simple and basic videos of Django, and later on you will going to learn a lot of advanced features and techniques about Django. In the next video tutorial, I am going to teach you about validation error messages of Django. Thank you.